How to change the trace sample rate in OpenTelemetry in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the trace sample rate of your n8n. So for that, first simply launch your n8n instance. Since I am on a local version, I have successfully launched up my localhost n8n instance. Then once your instance gets launched, click onto the settings option and then click open telemetry. Now make sure that your open telemetry is enabled and scroll down and you will see under tracing the trace sample rate. It's a fraction of trace is exported, like 1.00 represents all trace. So the maximum that this value can go is 1.00. You cannot make it. If you wish, you can you cannot make it 2 because it is not allowed. The maximum allowed value is 1.00. So for here, so from here you can simply adjust the particular value that you want. For example, let's say I selected it 0.96, and then you can click on to save settings and the trace sample rate will be successfully saved. So that's all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.